Hey guys, how y'all been doing? It's been a while since I did anything over here at S&J Custom. I mean, I've been busy. I just ain't had time to put no movies or nothing like that on. I've been messing around with my radios. Y'all just heard that. And guys, I want to wish everybody out there a safe and happy 4th of July. And that's for all of my American brothers and sisters. You said, I don't give a fuck what color, race, or creed you are. I don't care what religion you practice. Just be safe and come on home to everybody. You know, we're all Americans. And guys, all that being said, all this old mess going on around us, I don't serve no king. And I ain't gonna bow my head to the narrow one. And that's what this country is all about, being together. So don't let them divide you. And I'm gonna make up some knives. I got one I need to make this weekend for a friend. It's a military knife his daddy carried, using for skinning. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do a 5160 on that. Finish out that old knife that I was forging on here a long time back. You know, my hands down, it's not any better, but you ain't gonna get nowhere if you don't get started. All right, guys, like I said, man, y'all have a safe and happy 4th, and don't let them punk motherfuckers divide us, because together we strong, and the only way they win is if we're divided. Tell them to kiss your ass.